Another question from Tracy. When a tenant says that the geyser is not warming up or not heating, what are the outlining causes? Can it only be the element, thermostat, and safety, or is there another reason? Please explain. That's definitely for you, Glenn.
Yeah, there are actually a few things here, Tracy. The first thing is a geyser typically takes about 3 hours to get hot. Standard 150 liter or 200 liter geyser takes around about 3 hours to get hot. Often what happens is a tenant will come home and only turn the hot water on and expect it to be hot within 15, 20 minutes. That's not the case. That's not how a geyser works. If you turn it on at 6 o'clock, it's going to take a number of hours before you can actually use the water. So that's the first point. There is a timing issue. If you get home, you turn it on, there's load shedding, all the other complications. Those are also little factors that play a part. So if you take out the timings and the tenant turning it on and off, and you look at the actual physical equipment that could be problematic, you've got a circuit breaker, you've got a ripple relay, you've got an isolator switch, you've got an element and thermostat, possibly even a timer on the electrical board. So you've got a number of issues that could be causing that geyser to not get hot. So yeah, it's not just one little thing that could be forcing the tank not to get hot. What I like to ask the people, the question, I think it's probably a good starting point, is when you say it's not getting hot, typically the question is, it's not getting hot. Is the water coming out of the hot tap not hot, or is there no water coming out of the hot tap? And that's a very different answer to the question. If there's no water coming out the hot tap, there could be an interruption in water supply or something. If there's water coming out of the hot tap, but it's not hot, it's typically connected to an electrical fault somewhere along the line. There is water in the tank, but it's not heating for whatever reason. So yeah, typically if it's not getting hot, it's an electric, and it is an electrical geyser. It's something to do with one of the pieces of equipment in the chain.
Thank you, Glenn.